Hey everyone, welcome back to The Real Chef Curry. Today we have some delicious sandwich recipes for you, so let's get to it. So guys, before we jump into today's video, like always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Punch that notification bell, and let's jump into our recipe. So today we're making some assorted sandwiches that are really easy to make and perfect for lunchtime or a quick and easy dinner. So for our first sandwich, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an Indian Mexican fusion like sandwich, and we're going to use some paneer in it. So into a pan goes some ghee or butter, about a tablespoon, and once it's melted and heated up a bit, you can add in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, nicely chopped, and then just give it a quick little saute, and then add in 1 small green chili, nicely chopped. You can also use jalapeno or any other chili that you would like. Next to this pan, we're going to add in half of an onion and 1 bell pepper chopped. I use some mini peppers, but you can use a regular bell pepper or a capsicum. Give it a quick little mix, and now it's time for our seasonings. So start with a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, about half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of some chipotle powder, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, and give it all a nice little mix. If you don't have all of these individual seasonings at home, feel free to use some taco seasoning. It's going to turn out just as delicious. Next, we're going to add in some salt and pepper. This is going to be to taste, so just give it a quick little taste. Add some more if you need it. Don't add more if you don't need it at all. Only add enough to season it properly. Then once we have added that, make sure that you give it a nice little mix. Then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of shredded or crumbled paneer, and again give it a nice little mix. Give it a taste and enjoy the flavor. Then after about 2 to 3 minutes, take it off the heat. Next, you're going to take 2 pieces of bread and apply some melted butter to both slices. Then top 1 slice with your Mexican paneer mix that we made earlier, and then top that mix with some shredded cheddar or pepper jack cheese. Then you're going to take the other slice of bread and put it on top of the first slice, make it into a sandwich, and then we're going to grill the sandwich. I have this handy little sandwich grill that you can use over an open flame. However, if you don't have that, fear not, you can still make this delicious sandwich. All you got to do is use a stove using a non-stick pan. Just cook until golden brown on both sides and the cheese is melted. As you can see, our sandwich is nice and golden, and sandwich 1 out of 3 is complete. You can serve it up with some hot sauce or some ketchup and enjoy. Now let's make an awesome Indian street food Bombay sandwich. So onto 2 pieces of bread, you're going to put some melted butter. Then on 1 slice, we're going to apply some coriander chutney. Then we're going to top this slice of bread with some boiled potatoes. And then we're going to put some slices of tomato, some slices of onion, and some cucumber slices. And then we're going to sprinkle some chaat masala on top of the veggies, and then we're going to top it with some shredded cheese, ideally some white cheddar. If you get access to Indian cheese, use Amul cheese. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And then you're going to top it with your other slice of bread, and you're going to cut it into pieces, and you're ready to enjoy. But we are not done yet. We have 1 more sandwich to go. So this last sandwich is a little bit unconventional. It might sound a little bit weird, but trust me, it tastes absolutely amazing. It originates on the streets of Gujarat in India, and we are making a pineapple sandwich. So take 2 slices of bread and apply some melted butter. Then you're going to apply some pineapple jam. Then you're going to add a slice of pineapple, and then you're going to top said pineapple with some white cheddar cheese. Better if you can get Indian Amul cheese, but you can use cheddar cheese also. Then you're going to repeat with another layer of pineapple and another layer of cheese. Make sure you apply jam to both sides of your bread. Then you're going to take your bread, put it on top. Your sandwich is complete. You're going to cut into it, and we're now going to go ahead and enjoy all of the awesome sandwiches that we have made. Feel free to top your Bombay sandwich with some ketchup, and you can use some hot sauce for the grilled sandwich that you made earlier. And now let's dig in. I can't wait. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Try it out at home. They turned out delicious. I personally love all 3 recipes, but try them out. Comment below how they turned out for you, and keep on cooking.